Hi, Abby.
Hi.
Who's that gift for?
Tita
For Tito Rigel? So can I help you? Okay. Put it like that.
Okay.
And then the other one, you have to press it. Can I open it? Can I take a look what's inside?
No.
Why?
Because it's not for you.
It's not for me.
I
Alright.
told you that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, so we're gonna put a tape on it?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll put tape on it.
Can you put tape on it now?
Yes, Abby. Hold on. This is the tape.
Yeah.
Alright.
Can you help me?
I will help you. Don't worry.
Are we ready?
There you go.
There you
This
go.
one. This one. Okay, hold it. I'll give you a tape.
Okay.
Okay, can you put it there?
Okay. It's so sticky up there.
There you go. You are so good.
Yes, it's so good. That is the proper way.
The proper way. Stick it on top. Over there. Like this. Okay, there you go. And the other one.
And the other one.
You will be careful where to place it because baby might.
Have it.
Alright, now put the name of Tito Rigel. Okay. R.
R.
R. R. And then letter I.
I.
Very good. G.
G.
G. G.
G.
G.
G.
E.
E. E.
E. Very good. Whoa. There you go. Letter L. I make an L. Oh.
L.
It's like Lolo. Like letter L. L.
O.
L. Very good. And then write your name at the Rigel. And write your name at the back, Abby. It's from you. Okay? Alright, from Abby. Write your name. B. Oh dear.
I.
Alright, that's a big one, huh? And that's for Tito Rigel.
Yeah.
Can I open it tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow I can open it?
No, not yet.
Why? Not yet, so he needs to come here to pick it up?
Yeah.
You have to tell him.
It's
Tell-
for him. This is for him.
Alright, tell him to come here.
Come here, Teacher Jill, and get your present and open it, and you have to figure it out. I learned that from Teacher Jill.
Okay. Alright, where do you want to put your present for him? Next to Tito John?
Oh yeah.
Alright, come on, get the present. And we'll put it there. Be careful, huh?
You help me reach it.
Okay, I will help
I will
you.
hold the present.
Alright, come here. Alright. Where's the present for Tito John?
There it is.
So you want me to put it there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you help me with it?
I will help you. I'll go over there. Stand over there. I want you to be careful, huh?
Oh, a little bit.
Come on.
Put it away.
Alright, come on, Abby. Oh, put it on top of Tito John's. There you go. There
I
you
did
go.
it, Mommy.
So that's for your two titos. For Tito John and for Tito Jel?
Yes.
Alright, good job, Abby.
That's my Tito and baby's favorite Tito.
Aww. Say good night.
Good night.
Alright, kiss Tito Jel. Bye.
Hi.
Hope you like my present, Tito Jel.
Hope you like my present. And Tito John too.
Yeah, of course. Okay. Good night, Abby.
Good night.